So what we're going to be looking at today is the wireless micro, and I'm just going to tell you right now, it was a pain for me to get one of these. This took forever to get, but I had ordered this on eBay because I was like, ooh, this guy in UK has one. I did not know that that was going to be lightning, so I guess I'm going to be giving this one away. Just write a comment down below, and once we hit 500 likes and 100 comments, I will pick a random person, make a video, and actually give this away. If probably by the time we get to those numbers, this is going to be outdated. So we're not going to be looking at the lightning adapter. We're going to be looking at the USB-C. And I'm going to try to bang this out as quick as possible and not fill this video up with just random timestamps, showing you different things, trying to get my view count or my watch time up. Let's just get to the point, open it up, and we'll test it and see how it sounds. Let me just point this out ahead of the curve that this product, just like most of the products on this channel, if I get it for review, I will let you know. But I did, in fact, purchase this. So you don't have to worry about me not saying something because I'm scared the company won't send me anything in the future. I'm just going to say how I feel and figure out how to open this box. Wow, that is dainty. Anybody that's been watching this channel, you know that I love wireless microphones. Love them so much, I just keep buying them. Even though I don't use any of them. If any, I use the Saramonic. Inside of the package, you get two little muffle tufts or dead cats or wind muffs. Wow, you were not kidding. Those are absolutely dainty. Let me just show you the size of those. First off, that's the size of the package. These are the Wireless Pros. All three of these are about the size of a regular transmitter. There is a battery inside of here that is rated at 500 milliamp hours. Well, 490, but that's close enough. The magnets are in fact rubber coated. These are actually pretty attractive. I wonder how they're going to be using it like you would a regular one. I feel like this is really designed for people that just have iPhones or gotta be careful with that. Have iPhones or Androids. They're not going to be used. I'm not saying you cannot use it for a camera, but whether or not a camera will take input as a USB-C for its dedicated microphone, well, you're going to have to check your actual camera or DSLR if you could do that. Now, in order to use the RØDE app, do not plug this in hoping to connect it, as that will only charge the batteries in it. You have to actually take out the module, plug it into a PC or a Windows, and then make sure these are out. Yeah, and try to take the magnets off. Otherwise, you're just going to keep doing that. And this is with the muffle tuft. Look how adorable that is. It reminds me of like one of those troll dolls that just had a bad hair day, and they come off fairly easy. You just kind of pull it, and it does snap on. There are no buttons on this. I mean, ease of use is just absolutely beautiful on this. It would be nice if they did have a little storage compartment for these because you're probably going to lose them. So looking at the settings, there's really not a whole lot. You'll see that this is version 1.04. You can adjust the brightness of the LEDs on all three of the items or adjust the output gain for both of them, not individually, and that's set to high out of the box. And then for your routing, you have merged and split. We're just going to leave that defaulted at merged. There is absolutely no other settings inside of here. So all you can do is really just change the brightness of the LEDs. So you can see it is very minuscule. It's kind of in the center of my chest. The magnet is really nice. It's not super cold on my nipples, so that's always a good thing. And this is the output gain on high. I am not going to do anything but adjust the levels so you can kind of get the idea. Hopefully it's not peaking. Don't expect any type of internal recording or any of that. This is just straight bare bones. Let's get to the point. Let's bring down that gain down to a medium. And again, I am not going to really process the audio and try to clean it up. I'm just going to adjust the gain if it is in fact peaking. See if we could do this. And now this is on the low setting, and this is a test. I am testing the low on this tiny little microphone that's on my chest. This is in the medium, and this is probably going to be the safe spot for everybody. So now that you heard that, I do apologize for those little bit of static bits. I kind of left that in. That's me working through the app as I'm actually using that mic actively. First off, I love this. I'm just going to put that out there. I'm going to try to sum this up as quick as possible. I'm a big fan of microphones, right? I want something that's going to be clean, cut to the point. Everybody sees everyone out there with your little DJI jams, and they're holding it up to people. They're putting it in their face. With this thing is super, super compact. I did, in fact, also get the Mic Mini, which I'm very interested to compare that to this. I will say this, if you have an iPhone or an Android and you're out and about, this is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, the size of this is dainty. It's not super pricey. It's very affordable for what it is. It's definitely better, in my opinion, for someone on the go than something like a Pro where you're going to use in a studio. On the fly, on the go, open up the box, put it in. Definitely would recommend it. Check out the link in the description down below if you want to get this. It does help out this channel and me buying more products so you don't have to. Stay beautiful.